Alright, so you guys are taking your end of Unit 6 assessment next Tuesday. I'm going to let you know there's going to be 40 questions on it. Because there are, and this was simplified, but it's place value, opposites, inequalities, coordinate grid, and there's one other standard essentially that we taught within Unit 6. So there's a lot of standards that we essentially are covering. Not that they're the hardest standards that we've talked about, but it's going to be a pretty lengthy test. So today your study guide you're going to be working on independently. If you do not finish your study guide today, you have to finish it over the weekend, because that is what we're going over on Monday, and then you guys are testing on Tuesday. You get 1 day to complete your test. So those of us who like to count the holes in the ceiling and then do a problem, and then pick the next tile and count those holes in the ceiling, and then forget what number one, so we have to start all over again, that's not going to work for you. You are going to submit whatever you have at the end of the class period on Tuesday. Okay? Then we have one more unit that we're covering, and then essentially we're doing a very modified unit. I don't even know what unit it is in 7th grade, but it's we're hitting some expressions and equations 7th grade material, and then we're reviewing for the EOG. So we're gonna have like 3.5 weeks to review. During that review time, it's all 6th grade curriculum, because that's essentially what you are tested on at the end of the year. You're tested on 6th grade stuff. You're not tested on 7th grade stuff. All right, but I do want to at least expose you to some of that expressions and equations that you're gonna possibly see next year, or you should see next year. Okay, so that's kind of like the rundown. So we have one more unit, like full actual unit of 6th grade. 6th grade curriculum will be done by the end of March, last week of March, 3rd week of March, sorry, I don't even know my days. So the 3rd week of March, 6th grade curriculum for you guys will be done. You will have gone through everything, so it's fast approaching, a lot faster than you guys think. So today, you are going to be independently working. We have really struggled with working independently and actually working. So I have no problem with you guys moving around the room, but you're not moving to where you're going to talk. Okay? Your review is, you're going to find it on Canvas. You're going to need to So when you go to today's date, you're going to click on Study Guide Unit 6. You are going to be able to download this to where you can annotate it. You don't have to take pictures or anything like you had to yesterday. This one you're going to be able to write right on in the app, and it should save. Okay? You must annotate your questions. You have to. You have to start doing a better job. Yes, you. You're doing your work in your notebook. So again, these are the types of questions. It's 15 pages, but it's like this is one question, or one. Sorry, this is 2 questions. Sorry, this is 3 questions. So yes, it seems like it's a lot, but it's not that much. You do have 30, I think it's 33 or 31, 32. You have 32 questions today. All right. Now, some of you guys are going to be like, Miss Kenny, I don't know how to show my work for some of these, because some of these questions are, this point is located at what coordinate? What you do there is you write the coordinate for your answer. Like, not necessarily saying that you have to draw the grid and then plot it on your paper, just for that number, be like B24 is whatever it is. Some of these you're gonna possibly have to draw a coordinate grid. You can draw it on your paper, it doesn't have to be exact. I'm not giving you lined paper, I'm saving that for your test on Tuesday. Sorry, not lined paper, graph paper. I'm gonna save that for you guys for Tuesday, because I don't have actually, I think the whole thing is tracking my last thing, but put a couple dots at it. If you want gridded paper, I have some that is front side only. So if you want some gridded paper to help you with your study guide today, I'll put it on my back table. Okay? I'm not gonna require you to use this, but if you want to, you are more than welcome to. Those of you who have finished your Imagine Math for the week, we will have on Friday. Okay, so you have a lot to do in not a whole lot of time. If you did not finish Imagine Math, once people go out, you can either make the decision to work on Imagine Math or continue working on your study guide. Completely up to you.
So do we have to be completely finished with our study guide tomorrow?
No.
Okay.
But just understand if you're not finished with it, it's homework over the weekend.
I'm fine with homework. I'm fine with homework.
No, what about? It ain't free for all Friday, it's fun Friday.
Dang it.
Alright, any questions? Yes, sir. Nope, I'm gonna have you hang on to that just in case.
Okay.
Okay. I will be calling you to the back table to show me your homework from last night, the versus 2 problems. You know what? Never mind. Turn your paper from last night in on my back table right now. Make sure your name is on it. The faces I just saw, yeah, that means we did good. Make sure your names are on it. Fantastic. Watch the iPad, please. Go. Watch the iPad.
I'm trying to find my
No one's going to the back
And
table.
you said we could. Oh, yeah, that's true. We always talk about it.
Alright, again, I'm putting the the graph paper, coordinate grid paper, whatever you wanna call it, on the back table once everybody clears out. You know what? Rude! Oh my god! We're finished.